Oh my gosh.
She's trying to scratch me.
Oh my god. It's gonna bite you and you're gonna be really sad.
She's fine with me. She's soft.
Why aren't you sucking?
Yeah, I freaking know this.
Uh-huh.
Where'd you go?
Where's the tail?
Oh, it's okay. Wait out for it. The weightlifting cast can take a picture.
I was doing it and then I realized that your foot's like right there. Okay, go. You could go mess with it. Touch your tail, touch your tail. Oh my gosh. I think I hate you now.
Say something.
I'm trying to like cut off his fingers feet. It's really shy.
I said this. I can't do enough for the picture.
Kind of. I'm really irritated.
Making us up. Taking pictures of our feet?
No, making a video.
Why making a video?
Because I can't take a picture.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Dun 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 dun. Today was fun, but too bad I didn't get to stay longer. Great. Oh man.
Nice.
Totally. It's like I punched you. Okay.
You hit me in the eye.